restaurant here, the Elk Lodge. There's a dude right there. Some palm trees. I know that's the parking lot for Toledo Island. Ugh, it's cold out here. There's the bridge. Here's my jet ski. Bob Larson. Y'all want to do an illegal speed run? Illegal seagull? Is there any Johnny Law out here? Cops on the water, pigs on the water, 10-4. Doesn't look like it. Well, what they don't know is, what they don't know ain't bad for them. There you go. Now you gotta go back home to this Planet Stockholm. Wow, it looks like daylight out here almost. It's like moonlit. Oh no, that's the lights. That looks cool. That's my house right there. Bob Larson's Training Center. Look at this guy. His name is Fred Williker. G. Willikers. There's like an umbrella on there, like a little crown. This is underneath the Lido Bridge. So this is that little area that you can go to that's underneath that one bridge. Yeah. When you're going over the highway, or no, the road by Hoag Hospital, that's the bridge. Yep, there it is. Well, we're gonna just go back down. There was a badass view of the boats as well. So who knows what you can do out here? You can have fun all night and all day. Your engine, you can suck your own dick because people don't want to screw you, so you have to just get her rolling in. And those Trump fans right there, Elk Lodge, American flag. Yeah, God bless America. Trying to start something. I want to see you want to start something. I'll call the ranger on the water out here trying to start something. There's the Elks Lodge, established in 1925. No, exactly. It was established in 2000 AD. No, 1654. No. Oh, I'm just messing with you now. It's 1767. That's when the establishment was established. The Elk Lodge, 1767. There's the happy-go-lucky good-lookers, goody-two-shoes. Happy-go-lucky goody-two-shoes. Goody-goody-two-shoes, goody-goody-two. Must be something inside. Don't drink, don't smoke. What you wanna do? Don't drink, don't smoke. Goody-goody-goody-goody-goody-two-shoes. Must be something inside. Goody-two-shoes, two-shoes, Well, that's it then. I'll see you next time on the landing. I'm gonna go home and eat some fish that I was blessed with by these nice seamen. A fresh piece of fish. They said don't cook it, eat it raw, but I don't want to do that. I'm gonna eat it. Cook it on my Barbie. Put another shrimp on the Barbie, y'all. From Austria. Hello. Put the shrimp on the Barbie, huh? I'm a limo driver. Mary, you left your briefcase. I'm in love with Mary, man. 5-minute abs. 5-minute abs, man. 5-minute abs. No, not 6. No, not 7. Come on, it's 5, man. That's the number. That's the number. Yeah, man. Mary, wait. I'm in love with Mary, man. You're psycho. Stop stealing my shoes, Woogie. Dave Wabowski is my name. Damn it, Woogie. I don't want you no more. Mary's my girl, man. Mary Swanson. Let's look on the briefcase. Maybe it says her name. Samsonite, huh? Oh, yeah. You had 2 pairs of gloves this whole time, Lloyd. And you wouldn't even share me. I'm gonna kill you. My bird's freaking head fell off. Saving up for the worm farm, man. America, fuck yeah. Fight the world and save the motherfucking day.